The MQ-1C Gray Eagle, the U.S. Army's silent predator in the sky, is a game-changer in modern warfare. Welcome to the NextGen World, where today we explore one of the most lethal and reliable unmanned aerial systems in American military history. Developed by General Atomics, the MQ-1C is the Army's advanced version of the Predator drone, built for long endurance, high-altitude intelligence, surveillance, and precision strike missions. Unlike its predecessor, the Gray Eagle is bigger, more powerful, and packed with advanced sensors and weapons, turning it from a mere scout into a battlefield dominator. Powered by a Thielert heavy-fuel engine, the Gray Eagle can fly up to 25 hours non-stop at altitudes of 29,000 feet, providing real-time battlefield data without ever being detected. This endurance gives commanders unmatched eyes-on-target capabilities, whether it's tracking enemy movement or supporting ground troops in active combat zones. But the MQ-1C isn't just watching. It's ready to strike. It can carry 4 Hellfire missiles, capable of precision targeting with minimal collateral damage. This means the Gray Eagle can identify, confirm, and eliminate high-value targets, all from thousands of feet above. In counter-terrorism and modern asymmetric warfare, that's a massive advantage. Equipped with synthetic aperture radar, electro-optical sensors, and infrared cameras, the Gray Eagle can operate day or night, in all weather conditions. And with its secure satellite link, it can transmit live video and targeting data directly to ground forces, making it a critical part of real-time combat decisions. What makes it even more lethal is its autonomy. While still remotely piloted, the MQ-1C can autonomously take off, land, and navigate via GPS, reducing the burden on human operators and increasing operational efficiency. It's also modular. The extended range variant, known as Gray Eagle ER, boosts endurance to over 40 hours and adds improved payload capacity, making it suitable for multi-day operations and more complex missions like electronic warfare or signal intelligence. The MQ-1C is not just a drone. It's a force multiplier. In recent conflicts, it's proven invaluable in operations from Iraq to Afghanistan, hunting insurgents, protecting convoys, and providing mission-critical intelligence that saves lives. In the era of AI and autonomous warfare, the MQ-1C Gray Eagle shows us what the future looks like: silent, precise, and always watching. Thanks for watching the NextGen World. If you love cutting-edge military tech and want to stay updated on the machines shaping tomorrow's battles, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.